Now, as the date gets closer to when we may actually see people getting the vaccine here in Florida, a lot of you are contacting us wondering when that's going to be and who will be the first to receive it. How much will it cost, if anything at all? And with people finally getting vaccinated, when could things finally get back to normal? 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser is getting answers to the questions you've been asking.
The first and most common question we hear is, when will the COVID-19 vaccine become available? The short answer is as early as the middle of this month. Governor Ron DeSantis says the first would likely be the Pfizer vaccine, then Moderna, both requiring 2 doses. The state is also looking at the vaccine being developed by Johnson & Johnson, which is a single dose.
And so you're going to be able to get that widely distributed.
Next, the priority list. Who in Florida gets the shot first? Of the 20 million people nationwide receiving the first doses of the vaccine, Florida's share would be between 1 and 2 million. Governor DeSantis says his priority list starts with people living in long-term care facilities, then high-risk frontline healthcare workers, followed by anyone 65 and older with significant underlying conditions. For everyone else, it could take until April or May, longer if there are complications or unforeseen logistical issues.
So far, nearly 2,000 long-term care facilities have registered so that they can start getting their residents vaccinated as soon as the vaccine arrives.
Lots of people are still unclear about how much they'll have to pay for the vaccine. The CDC states vaccine doses purchased with U.S. taxpayer dollars will be given to the American people at no cost. In short, you may have to pay to physically get the shot, but the vaccine itself will be free.
People also ask how long it will take, once Florida receives its share of the vaccine, to start administering it.
While we've been waiting for the vaccine to arrive, the state of Florida has been stocking up on syringes, alcohol swabs, gauze, and even those freezers which will store the vaccine. Florida's Director of Emergency Management, Jared Moskowitz, says the state has a solid plan and that Florida will be ready to deploy the vaccine when it comes. And finally, when could we see things get back to normal? Public health workers say if there are no problems with the vaccine, it could be as early as this spring in our region. That is, if during the vaccination process, people continue to wear masks, avoid crowds, maintain social distance, and wash their hands.
The good news is if we practice this, I guarantee with the vaccines coming by end of April, we are done. This is it. We are done with this problem once and for all.
Governor DeSantis says he has no intention of forcing anyone to take the vaccine when it becomes available, but he said they represent the greatest rays of hope we've seen since the pandemic began. He did confirm that nursing homes will be the first to get the vaccine.